guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today we have a wig review from Hairvivi. I am so excited about this brand here. They reached out to me for a collab, and the first thing they asked me to do was to do a review to show you guys how easy it is to install a glueless wig where you just cut off the lace. Okay, y'all know I know I'm gonna do this, but we're gonna do this together and y'all gonna get my honest review on this. So this is gonna be my first 13x6 wig. So we're gonna try it together. I love the packaging of it with the ribbon and everything. It's giving designer. So here is when you open it. I'm going to read it to you really quick. Thank you for your purchase. Below are some suggested steps to ensure your Hairvivi wig is ready to wear. The first one is randomly pick out lock of hair, brush it, and check to see if there's shedding. 2, put the hairline part over your hand to check the clean bleach knots and pre-plucked hairline. We love that. 3, make note of the elastic band and the piano keys. They help to make your wig, help you wear the wig glue free. And last but not least, gently check the lace. Enjoy the micron technique that gives you an extremely melted appearance. Let's go. Oh, I got color. Girl, I am excited. So here is how the wig comes inside of the net. I'm gonna try her on because y'all know I got a big head. Let's see if she's big head friendly. Y'all, oh, I don't own another wig. Oh, I'm so excited. Calm down, calm down. Okay, let's get into the construction of the hair. I'm gonna read this to you guys so I can make sure that I'm saying the right stuff because I wanna give you the right information. We have Invisible HD 13x6 largest lace size. This is a fake scalp, so no wig cap needed. Don't test her because as you can see, this is the scalp and then here's the lace. You get a pre-plucked hairline, clean bleached knots, 13x6 max true hairline, so ear to ear. No makeup or color needed. So we gonna test her out. Y'all know I normally put like either tint spray or makeup on my lace, so we gonna put her to the real test. Cutting this lace is making me nervous, but we're gonna do it together. You get an elastic band, and then you also get one piano key. Is this a piano key? I don't know, but you get a comb in the back, which I like this because it gives you the security that you need. And then you have this adjustable here to make the wig fit tighter or looser. Now it's time to try her on. So I do have a wig cap on, but we're gonna take her off because it says that we don't need one. Again, this band is adjustable, so I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger because y'all know I got a big head. And let's put her on. No wig cap. Let's see if she fits and how she looks. Okay. 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 She does fit my big head. I'm not gonna say I'm shocked, but I'm happy. I'll put the lace up a little bit. And here is how the hairline is looking. Whoa. Okay, Hairvivi. It's giving a literal hairline because that's honestly how my natural hairline looks right here underneath it. That's kind of crazy. But it's the color for me. Now, I don't know let me see what inch I got. Okay, so the good thing about this is that they have 3 different sizes, small, medium, or large. I told you guys I have a big head, so I did go ahead and order the size large. And this one is the Julia Brown Hair Wig Caramel Highlights, 180% density, which I love that because I mean, I have like a super thick wig and I get too hot. I think that this 180% density is pretty good. The thing about this wig is that it comes in size 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22. You can get 3 different sizes, again, in a cap, small, medium, or large. And the lace color and the fake scalp can come in Cappuccino, Mocha, and Americano. I love that. So you definitely get a custom wig. This is 100% virgin human hair. And you can definitely install her in seconds as you just seen me do. And this is not even, like, the lace is on and it still, like, looks good. Girl, just wait till I cut this lace. Just wait. Okay, and I can't find what length it is, but I'll definitely put it on the screen what length this is. But here we go, y'all. The color. Oh, y'all, it's the color. It's the color for me. Now let's cut this lace. According to the instructions, they definitely go ahead and tell you to apply it. Make sure it fits before you cut any lace. So because I've never done this before, do I cut it on my forehead or do I take it off and cut it? We're gonna learn this together. I'm confident I could do it. I'm confident I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just cut the lace going up like this, just to kind of give it like that. Now I am concerned about these ear tabs because they are long, but I'm thinking I can just cut to right here and cut these off. Child, let me take her off because I don't trust myself. I mean, if you like look close, you can see that these are already bleached for you. The knots, they legit do all the work for you. So from here, I am going to just and cut the lace along the hairline that's already there. And just kind of leave some on there. And then I'll go back in with the razor to cut it off even more. Because I know you want a little bit of lace just to lay it down. Even though this wig is glueless. Yeah, I know I got trust issues. So I like, I'm a little blurry. I like to have, to put a little glue on it. But in today's video, we're not doing that. We just gonna literally put it as glueless. But I want it to be versatile. Because I just don't want my wig to move. So I'm just cutting along the hairline that's already there. And this actually seems pretty easy already. Right. The lace is removed. Kind of easy. So again, these ear tabs is what makes me a little nervous. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back on and see where we're at. All right, so now that the lace is cut, this is what we're left with. So from here, I'm going to just do this to pin it back. As far as the lace goes, I'm going to just cut it directly across here. Because this is extra ear tab. And I don't need it. So that is what we're cutting off. So if I wanted to glue her down, I could do that. And this is where it ends, which is where I want it to go. So we'll do the same thing on this side. I'm going to just cut directly across to right there. And throw this part away. Okay, girl. We done with cutting the lace. I have some shed hair because I just did cut, of course, which is normal. And I love that the layers already kind of pre-done for you. And again, I did not put any foundation or anything on the lace, and this is how good it looks. So she is completely glueless. Love that. And if I'm being completely honest, as I always am, even though it's not glued down, it still does feel very secure. What I'm going to go ahead and do is throw a little curls in this. So I just finished curling the hair. I'm trying to knock these lights off, but I just finished curling the hair, you guys. And I cut the camera off because it was starting to overheat. My mom came in the room and she said, "Oh, Adrianne, that wig is so pretty." She said, "It looks so natural. You got it glued down so good." I said, "Mama, it's glueless." She said, "No way." She's like, "It looks like a sew-in." That, oh, y'all, I wish I could feel and see this hair. Like, the quality of this hair, honestly, is unmatched. And the curls, the color, the layers, the fits, the easiness, is just everything that I need. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is the finished look of how it came out. It's I keep saying it, but like the color. And here's the thing, and I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. You guys would pay the price of this wig to go and get a sew-in after you pay for the labor of the person doing your hair, the good quality bundles. I mean, actually, honestly, you would pay over. You would pay over the price of this, and you would be stuck for maybe what, 6 weeks, and then you would have to pay to get it redone. This wig is an investment that you can take off every night. It's very easy. It's giving sew-in. It's giving like custom made for you. After you pay for the color, the hair, the stylist, all that, you probably write it $700 or $800 depending on where you're at. Okay, Hairvivi does it all for you, and I'm here for it. I have always tried to be the DIY girl to get this kind of color because it's like screams fall, and the balayage highlights of it, you know, and I'm just, listen, I done messed up a couple of bundles. A couple of me trying to do a U-part wig and all that, trying to get this color, and I could never achieve it. So I'm here for it. I didn't use no, what do you call that? The wax stick. I didn't have to go in with it. There's no fly. you see it for yourself, okay? I ain't gotta sell the wig. The wig sells itself, and I'm here for it. I love 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 it. It has shine. It has body. It has ease. I ain't got nothing else to say. I ain't got nothing else to say. You know where you can find her at down below. I think I have a discount code too as well. I hope I do. If I don't, I'm gonna ask them for one for y'all followers. Just for y'all. Only for y'all though. Not too much. Only for y'all. But I think that is it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. If I forget to put anything, I will definitely put it on the screen somewhere. Any information that you guys might need to know. Thank you, Hairvivi, for sponsoring today's video and collabing with me. I hope this is the first of many more in the future because this wig is giving. We're off to a good start. And I love it here. I'm very happy. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys how it looks from the back so you can see the full, I don't know, again, what inch it is, 20. I'm thinking it's either 20 or 22. But I'm thinking she's more of a 20 inch. But I could be wrong. She was really easy to curl too. Now y'all see me wearing my husband's shorts. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to leave me a comment down below. Like this and subscribe to my channel on your way out. And I will check you guys out in my next video. Mwah. Bye.